I'd like to review the detailed directions for our pop-up room. We take our long card and fold it carefully in half. Pay lots of attention to whether those two edges are lining up, and then pinch it down onto the table and pull back so that your paper will be neatly folded exactly in half. Take extra time to push down on the crease. Now that that is nice and crisp, you can lay a ruler down on that folded end, because this is where all of your pop-up is going to happen. A ruler is usually 1 inch wide, so when you lay a pencil across the top, you are making a line that is 1 inch away from the fold. That's really helpful because then you can use the ruler the other way to make something that is a square. So this will be a square, sort of simple box pop-out. I made sure it is nice and straight up and down, and then it is time to carefully cut. The reason we made that ruler line is so that you can exactly cut right on top of it and then stop exactly at the stop line. So I'm not going to stop before the line, I'm not going to let it be short, and I'm not going to cut over the line. Next, we want to make nice crisp folds. So I'm going to fold that little tooth shape up one way and then the other, taking extra time to press down hard on the crease. Because I made those folds, I can now pop it forward and it will pop out very geometrically, very sharp. Did you know that you can easily make a chair by drawing the back of a chair on the wall side of the card and drawing 2 arm shapes on the popping out part? So that shows the arms. And if this is a cushiony chair, you can draw the cushion in front like that. But this is also a good support. So I can, for example, glue a tabletop on top. You'll want to have the whole tabletop drawn and colored before you glue it on. And that's where I'll glue it right on top. I'll pinch it with my fingers. And you can also put a wall up, something to pop forward on that same tab. You can also create something your own size. So I'm measuring out how long I want the top of a bed to be, and I'm making a fold. Then I'm going to use the ruler to make the exact same size rise as my square bump has. So that's 1 inch fold. And then I'm going to make a little tab to connect to the floor. So top of your bed, rise, and then tab. I cut my paper, and then I'll hold it so that you can see I will be gluing the bed on top and gluing the tab to the floor, and my pop-up room will still open and close.